So about the series Unconventional Objects I didn't know I could use for my making, I am trying this piece that I found at the parking lot at the supermarket. So I don't have any idea if this is from a car or this is from, any works that they were doing also on the parking lot. So not sure at all. And if you know this piece, let me know in the comments. But I found the shape very interesting, and always when I see something, I immediately think about mark making, right? So here I am trying with a jelly plate and acrylic paint, and as you can see, I absolutely love the pattern. Even the secondary or the ghost print that you get, it's super cool. So I am here experimenting what type of shapes I can get. And of course, the piece is super small, so it's super messy, but it's worth it because it is really cool. The fact that you are repeating the same piece over and over on the layers is creating uniformity, and I absolutely love it. So first of all, I am trying here in a regular copy paper just to see if I like it and what type of shapes I can get. So afterwards I can use it on the final piece. And here I am using this super cheap acrylic paint, but it was too transparent, and it was nice for giving another layer to the print, but not for the final piece. I could see that it wouldn't work. So in the end I am using the black, and now I will try it for as a result final print for my piece, right? So I am not thinking too much here. I am just using the piece randomly to have any pattern. I don't look for perfection neither. And here is my final piece. Indeed, it's a scrapbooking piece that I didn't use it, and so I recycle it with the jelly paint. And as you can see, there is a super cool pattern. And then I thought to give it a little saturation, so I used the orange. But don't tell me why it was not super visible. I don't know if it was the viscosity of the paint, the layers I had. The jelly print is always a mystery, and it gave a little light there, but I didn't continue with it. And then I thought to use the blue, and then I thought again, no, the blue is not gonna work, so I am using the final layer with, in that case, acrylic marker and in white. And what happened is super curious, because I was just playing with my hands, right, and I had this blue on it, and my fingers were with some blue. So at the moment that I was stamping, some of the blue of my fingers come out, and it's super cool. I mean, I didn't look for it, but it gives that touch, final touch to the piece that I absolutely love it. So sometimes the best things happen without looking for them, and I'm not sure I can even repeat it, but it's fine. So I am just repeating with the white, and that's it. We have finished our piece. You can use this piece, I don't know, you can glue it, for example, on a postcard. It would be nice, because I think as it is now, it's finished for me. So I would use it, or, as I said, as a postcard, or maybe cut it and put it in the art journal as it is, or use it as another layer. I don't know, but it's super cool. So that's it for today. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel and follow me in my social media. If you try something similar and you want to show me, you can tag me on Instagram. And that's it. Thank you. Bye.